Hello everybody, so today we're going to be lowering the front of the car because if you've seen in the other videos the car is squatted, which is a bit not ideal. So got it up on jacks. We're at Tony's place and hopefully we'll get it all level today. So what we're going to get to first is pulling the struts out. Tony over here said he had some FE2 springs, but they're not. They're both rears, so we can't do that. So we end up...
FE2.
What? Oh, they are FE2, but...
They're just the wrong end.
And then, so all I was going to do is get the rotary scissors on these, take half a coil out. We'll do a good job of it, but let's get to it. Also, another thing before we start, try and always do this on a flat surface and use some good jack stands. I just got them running off that part of the car so we don't die. It helps. So guys, I got both the knuckles off, and to get this out and the knuckle off, you have to drop the sway bar because it connects to the top of the strut there, and it's also ideal having both the wheels off the ground at a time so that the sway bar is not doing its job and it doesn't have pressure on that link there, so it's easier. The struts are now out of the car, so all I need to do is get the springs out. Got some spring compressors here. I'll compress the spring, take that nut off, and it'll be good. Well, now I've got both the springs out. This one's still got the compressor on it, so you just got to undo it evenly so it doesn't twang out. All the balls fell out of the strut bearing, so I went and bought two newies right here. They'll do the job. But yeah, next part is to get to, I'll probably take off, not much, just half a coil or something, just to bring it down a little bit. We're not trying to do much. Springs are now sorted, just rounded the ends off so there's no sharp ends and touched a bit of paint up. Look completely standard. Now just got to put the struts back together with the new bearings. So the struts are all now back together. I've got the new bearings in them and all that sort of thing. They look completely standard, and now they can go back in the car. Well, there we go guys, the car is now back on the ground. Rides good, drives good, but it's not a very level surface so you can't see it's level, but the car is level now, so that's awesome. Well, there we go, the car's not that much lower, but it looks a lot better than it did. It's now level, which is ideal. I didn't want it on the floor, but it all looks nice now, it all evens out. Well guys, that'll be it for today's video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.